What's going on, guys? We're up here today with BlakeBuilds on YouTube. Definitely check out his YouTube channel because we're about to get into some crazy stuff. He has a big turbo LS E36 drift car. He's gonna go ahead and give you them keys to it. He's pulling it out of the trailer now. He said it's gonna be a little bit dirty because last event it was drifting in the rain. I think it was last weekend, maybe the weekend before. But while he's doing that, let's check out his garage because he's also doing a full drift build on the E92, like starting from scratch. Like he had this thing like on a rotisserie, flipped it upside down, did all the stitch welding. He's been working on this since January, so this car will be really sick when he gets it done. I'm pretty excited about that. His E36 is already sick, so this is gonna be sick too. I don't know what engine he has planned on it. Maybe we'll ask him later, but this thing is crazy. His E36 is crazy. It's gonna be a good video. I'm pretty excited. Definitely check out his YouTube because he has all this stuff, all his YouTube, all his drift events and all that stuff. He films, GoPros, and then every time he does anything to that, he films that too. So a lot of content on there. You guys can definitely catch up and see what's going on.
This is straight from LS Fest, so I think we got enough meat on the tires, so that's good.
Yeah, hopefully. Oh man. This thing is a monster. Jesus, I've only seen this car a few times. He brings it to a car show on occasion, but now I'm gonna be in it. Dear Jesus, what did I get myself into? Oh my. Oh. Oh. Jesus Christ. Oh man.
Back it into the driveway and took it.
All right. Angle, God. That thing is scary, man. Oh my God, that thing is so loud. We're not gonna be able to do any talking while that thing is on, so we're gonna try to get all the talking out now. Because once we're in the car, you're not going to hear anything. I can tell you now. That thing is loud. He just pulls in the driveway so he can check all the fluids and everything, make sure everything's good before we go. But, whew, this is a straight race car. That's absurd. And I have a huge hand, by the way, guys. All right, so talk about the car.
So this is my E36 BMW, originally an S52 car, originally an M3. I bought it as
I rode with you when you had the S52. That was years ago.
Yeah,
that was
years ago. And the S52 is a great motor. It's just I was wringing it out and it wasn't making enough power to be worth blowing up. So
yeah,
sold it off, started the LS turbo build, and things got out of hand from there. So now it's rated 770 wheel and about 760 torque.
What size turbo is this thing?
This is a 75 millimeter cold side with a T6 twin scroll hot side.
Jesus Christ.
Very common F-body Camaro setup for drag racing, actually.
Huh. And you're using it to go sideways.
Yep. And it's pretty dirty because It's dirty.
Yeah, it's dripping. That's fine.
Yep.
All right. Well, let me set the GoPros up and get rolling. Is this car hard to drive?
Not really hard to drive, but when the wheels spin, you're gonna know it.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, clutch and all. I never drove a car with a straight clutch like that. Like.
Yeah, so it's got manual brakes, so it takes more pressure to brakes.
Okay.
And we have to heat everything up. So tires have to be heated up, brakes have to be heated up. So maybe I'll take a stroll around the neighborhood or something.
Yeah.
Get it warm and good.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds safer for me.
Yeah, because if it starts going sideways when it's cold, it's much scarier.
Yeah. Okay.
But it doesn't just like shoot out side to side.
All right, I got you. We'll see.
Well, you're going for the whole gambit here. Okay.
I can put the basic one on. I don't know where it is though.
Yeah, you're sitting on most of it here.
All right. Well, he's gonna drive first because this thing scares the hell out of me, and he's gonna warm it up too. And I'm ready.
So kill switch, vacuum sump, clutch in, ignition, and start. That's another fan. It's not ABS.
Yeah, this thing is loud. Everything is so loud in here.
Do a pull from one end of my neighborhood to the other.
Holy shit.
Shut off so you get the full experience here.
Oh man, that is ridiculous.
Wait till the tires are hot.
I don't know how to open the door.
I think you're just pulling this.
I'll just go to the outside. Oh god. Oh god.
This doesn't feel like a 700 horsepower street car.
Yes, it does. I got familiar feelings like when I drove that Corvette.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I mean, there's a turbo in that, so it kind of makes sense.
Yeah. There you are.
All right.
So that's on. Oh, yep, that's on. Kill switch. Up. There you go.
And ignition.
Ignition first. Nope.
Both
Do
fans?
the start it first because the fans draw a lot.
Okay. Oh.
Fan. Good to go. Then go straight like to the top of that hill.
Yeah.
Take a right. And then we'll go out to the end of the neighborhood and we'll go all the way up to Night Owl.
All right. scared to do first. I'm not gonna lie to you.
You can start in second.
Oh, I do second.
You can just roll through first and go to
Alright.
second.
Registered, so we can't go too far, but I think I've had enough. Oh shit.
Done it now.
I could drift, because I would drift the shit out of this.
It's different to drift something like this because you have to keep the wheels spinning no matter what. Like lower powered cars, you do kind of momentum slide and stuff like that.
Yeah.
This just straightens up.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, so yeah, you really gotta. I know what you're saying.
Yeah. Turning radius, just go all the way to lock.
Stop here because I don't trust myself.
You can just put it in the gear.
Alright.
That's it. I think it's okay. So shut this off first. Then you can just shut everything off. What's up, brother?
I think it's wild. So did I scare you?
Yeah, no, I mean, it's my first time being in the passenger seat, so like, it's not so bad when you're on the gas because I know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
It's when you let off and I like just fly forward.
I'm sweating not because it's hot, because I'm like in an adrenaline rush right now. Well, Blake, thank you for the ride. I told you guys it was loud in there, so we didn't do a lot of talking on the inside. But thank you. I really appreciate that.
No problem.
That was awesome.
Come by and
So,
drive
yeah.
the next one.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Definitely check out his YouTube, BlakeBuilds, so you can see more progress with this if he's doing anything to it. But he definitely drifts it like pretty much every event he can, and he's always working on his E92 in the garage. Matter of fact, let's talk about your E92.
Sure.
What you got? What you got going on in there? So you've been working on this since January.
Yeah.
And you've stitched every possible hole in here. I know that.
Yes.
And I've been watching
the whole car was on a rotisserie.
Yeah.
The whole
Definitely
bottom.
watching that progress. So what's your engine plans?
Actually, probably the E36 engine is going to come out of there and go into here. The only thing that we're going to change is put a little bit of nitrous on it down low.
Alright.
And just to get the turbo to spool a little faster. And then I'll put like a different V8 in that car.
Cool. So it's going to be your competition car when it's done?
Yeah. This will be just everything the E36 is, plus a little bit more.
Nice. So what makes you want this chassis over E36? Just
newer.
Just different.
I've had the E36 for 6 years now. It's getting beat up.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's not getting soft or anything. It still works just fine. E36 is a great chassis for competition drifting. Just decided I wanted something new.
I got you. All right. I'm looking forward to it. I'll keep watching the build. Y'all to keep watching this build and see when it comes back. And then I guess I'll be driving it again.
Hopefully it's going to be done beginning of season next year. So
Cool.
that's the plan at least.
All right, what's going on, guys? I think Blake's Turbo LS E36 drift car earned a spot on the list. It's a really cool car, definitely full-on purpose-built, but it's kind of hard to drive. So it's not going to be very high, but it was extremely fast. It did put a mean smile on my face. I don't know if you saw my face. As soon as I first engaged the clutch, I just started smiling. I couldn't help it. And so it's definitely on the list. It took me a while. I had to do a lot of thinking where I'm going to put this. I think I'm going to put it right under Aaron's track prep E46 M3. Now this is also a purpose-built car just like that, just like Aaron's car, but Aaron's car is a little bit easier to drive, and I mean, like I said, it's low gears, it's very loud, it's a purpose-built car, but it's hard to drive. So I'm gonna put this right above the Wraith and right below Aaron's track built E46 M3. So this will be spot number 9, and I'll move the rest of these down. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.